Question 1. Why is Ringol different from other businessmen? Answer. Ringol was different from other businessmen. He was extraordinary expert in the art of shoemaking. Shoes made by him were of high quality and durable. His made shoes never failed to fit in the feet. Question 2. How did the author come in touch with Ringol and Brothers? Answer. The author came in touch with Ringol and Brothers when his father took him to a shop for ordering a pair of new shoes for the coming Eid. Question 3. Describe the shoemaker and his shop. Answer. Ringol was a strong man of 50 years. He was serious and sensitive person. His shop was in a busy street in Kisakhwani Bazar. A big-sized Peshawari chopper overhung the wooden door of his shop. A big square-shaped stone, a wooden mallet, and all, and an anvil can be observed in his shop. Question 4. What were Ringol's priorities in making shoes? Answer. Ringol's priorities in making shoes were fitness in feet, suitability to different people, durability, and high quality material. His made shoes were indeed mysterious and wonderful. Question 5. What is the setting of the story? Answer. The shop of Ringol and Brothers is very simple. It has only some essential tools required for making shoes and some pairs of shoes. It is situated in a busy street in Kisakhwani Bazar of Peshawar. By beautiful description, the author takes us that very street where the shoemaker's shop is situated. Question 6. What is the conflict about in the story? Answer. The conflict is between the traditional shoemakers and branded shoes companies. The branded shoes companies have taken away the trade and shoemakers are now jobless. Question 7. What was the author's opinion about Ringol as a shoemaker? Answer. The author says that Ringol was an honest and straightforward person. He was an expert in the art of shoemaking. He was serious and sensitive man. He never compromised on the quality of his shoes. In short, he was a fantastic shoemaker. Question 8. Why did the author visit the shop after a long time? Answer. The author visited the shop of Ringol after a long time because he was abroad for several years and could not have the opportunity to meet him, who was his favorite person and fantastic shoemaker. Question 9. What was Ringol's complaint against big firms? Answer. Ringol complains that these big firms use craftsmen's hands, not their brains or experience. These big firms get all things by advertisement and not by work.